Hello, welcome to my show. My name is Vanita VR. I'm a cricketer by profession. Today I'm going to show you a dish which is a very simple homemade recipe dish which I prefer as an athlete. I prefer very healthy meal. I prefer which is full of nutrition. I prefer a meal which is very filling and obviously tasty as well. So here I'm going to show my go-to dish, the dish which I prefer the most at any given time. I like to show you some of the things that I have set it up right here so that you know to get a fair idea of what I am cooking today. So these are my ingredients today for the day, and before I start or get going, keep flowing in your comments. I'll take in some questions apart from cooking. I'll also take some questions about cricket or life or athlete, life of an athlete and so on today. So to begin with, let me start preparing my favorite and go-to dish, the dish which, like I said, the dish which I love the most. So let me start preparing, and here we go. Wish me good luck, guys. So in a bowl, I like to take some quinoa pasta. This pasta, again, I prefer most of the thing as gluten free. As an athlete, it's so important for me to eat nutritious food, eat healthy food, eat right food. So I prefer quinoa pasta or any gluten free pasta. I don't mind whole wheat also sometimes because that is also healthy, but this again is something which I prefer. So here we go. Let's take as per sufficient, and I always had a little bit of olive oil, which gives a nice texture when it boils. So I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, and then let's add some water to it. And if possible, add salt of your choice. I had a little bit of salt since it's quinoa pasta. The texture reduces a bit. The taste is a little blunt. So yeah, I had a little bit of salt to it, and here we go. The next, what I like to prepare is let's start off with the cheese, Amul cheese. So let's grate the cheese today. Like I said, let me remind again, the dish that I'm going to prepare is the famous dish, what most of them call it as mac and cheese. But I call it as a simple pasta with a lot of topping of cheese in it, so that I get my nutrients right. So here we go, it's a big slice. So this is the normal usual cheese what is available in store. So I prefer using something which is available and accessible in the market. So I prefer Amul cheese, and this is one of my favorite cheese as well. So yeah, let's start preparing this. In the meanwhile, pasta is cooking right here. Can you see here right here? Pasta is right here. I've kept it for boiling now. It will take good 8 to 10 minutes for us to boil. In the meanwhile, let me start preparing the other things what I need for today. So keep your comments flowing in. I'll take in some questions. If anybody has any doubts, you can probably ask me, drop in comments. Yes, I'm boiling in the water. I put the pasta in the water, it's boiling. I've added some olive oil to it so that it gives a nice texture. Yeah, so this is done. And my choice of vegetable for today is, so let me show you how it's made. So this is cheese right here. So my favorite vegetable for today is broccoli. Broccoli is one highly nutritious vegetable filled with lots of fiber, protein. So I prefer broccoli along with this. I am very bad. I read one of the comments that I'm very bad in Gujarati. Sorry, I have absolutely no idea about Gujarati. Though I have a lot of friends from Gujarati. I'll try and speak the next time. Probably learn a word or two from my friends. I'll definitely speak to you all in Gujarati the next time I've come. And my next choice of vegetable is zucchini. This again is one of my favorite food to add in pasta. To make the work even more shorter, let's after 5 minutes I'd like to add some vegetables onto the water or pasta which is already boiling. So in that case, you know, it eases out your work, you save time, you save time so that it's easier for you all to cook. So yeah, I'll add some vegetables here. Let's add salt, pinch of salt, so vegetables to boil. Okay, alright, so let me show you all how it's preparing right now. So the vegetables are boiling right now. Along with pasta. So when this is almost like, you know, it's almost gonna get, so let's keep this on the other side. So you can ask me any questions if there's anything. And let me show you how this is boiling here. Not really a white sauce. I like to keep it very simple. It's just that I want to add a lot of nutrition in it. I sort of keep it very simple. I don't exactly form like a white sauce or something, but it's very simple recipe. It's my choice. I'll just show you in like good 5 minutes. So just wait for it. It's almost just getting ready there. It's almost done. I'm going to take it off now and then quickly as you can see, the vegetables are just nicely boiled and you can just see this, vegetables are nicely boiled. So let me keep this here until start making the other one. I like to use some butter, no oil. I don't prefer oil. It's either butter or olive oil that I prefer cooking. Yes, I have discarded the water. So now, as you see, let me get the camera here so that you can see what I'm adding. So here we go. So as you can see, the butter is nicely melted. So I like to add the vegetables which I just boiled now. Add some oregano. Some black pepper. Red chili powder. Let's reduce the flame a bit. And my favorite, olives. So now you can see pasta is just about there. Now I would like to add some lactose free milk. Just add a little bit of lactose free milk, and then let's get to the shredded cheese which I had prepared. And now let's mix it. Yeah. Allow it to boil for like good 5 minutes. And we're just about there. If you all want to have a look at the texture, let me show you how it is. There's no onion, there's no garlic recipe. I've added nice oregano in it. So here we go. It's almost and the dish is done. It's ready to serve now. As you see it, the dish is done. It's almost ready to eat, and I have made this out of very simple recipe, simple ingredients that I've had it. So to finish off with, I've started up with quinoa pasta. The quinoa is the base of this, and then I have added some broccoli, some zucchini, olive, and furnished it with a lot of herbs like oregano, pepper, salt, and I made a simple kind of a sauce, not exactly the white sauce what we make, the usual sauce. This is something very different. With the lactose-free milk, I just added a bit of cheese on it, the Amul cheese, and that's it. And now you can see this. The dish is very simple. It probably just took me 10 minutes to prepare this, and this is one of my easy to go dish and one of my healthiest and favorite dish. Thank you so much guys for joining me today. I hope it was fantastic. I hope it was really nice. Thank you.